What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Charleston Car Videos. We got a good one for you to see today. Stay with us. Well, how about it, y'all? Here is a 1994 Ford F150 XL in the most wildest color of my dreams. Wowee. We're going to show it to you today, folks. I'm going to let you see what the price is, how much you can buy this truck for, and I'm going to let you see the current condition of it. I already got it running. It's making some chirping sounds over there like birds on a Sunday morning, but I'm going to let you see it. We're going to let you know if the AC is blowing, what we all got going on. You know, you might have remembered your dad having one of these trucks back in the day, and now is your chance to own one as well. Man, it's over 20 years old. That's right, a 94. We're in 2018 now. I think this is 24 plus years old. It's incredible that it's even still here and running. But I'll tell you, you know, every once in a while you'll see one of these older Fords going down the road and you'll look at it and you'll say, man, I remember those trucks. Well, again, here's your chance for $2,250 to get you a good, solid work truck. And when I mean solid, I mean it, folks. I mean, listen to that. Boy, that's that V8 under that hood. Blinkers are working just fine. Now here's the tires. You got your steel radials. These are the charlatans, or the sharper lowers, or sharper rails, or I'll just say charlatan APs. And you got your tires, plenty of tread on your tires. You got plenty of that. If you can get a rock in your tire, you know you got tread. I've been telling y'all that for 10 years now. F150 XL got the little beautiful side lights, or side, whatever you want to, vinyl siding on there. This is really going into the 80s. I mean, I can imagine right now a guy and a girl with an afro puff, and maybe the girl with some bell bottoms on, hopping out with that purple tint, ready for a party night. Get your friends in, have a good time. I mean, you could lay a tarp back there, put water in, and have a heck of a time in the summer going down the strip in Myrtle Beach. And I bet that's probably happened before in this one. I mean, especially with this color. Boy, this thing is ready to party on the farm or on the field. But you know, hey, it runs. That's a good thing. And it's not a truck if it don't have some dents, stings, or scratches. And again, 24 years old. I mean, good gracious. You know, I mean, ain't nothing what a little scrub brush or a little bristle brush can't do, and put some spray paint on there. You get this thing looking like a Tootsie Roll on a Friday night. AutoBuyCenter.com is where you go to buy it. You're going to want to buy it from your boy Chad. That's right, Chad's selling cars now and older trucks. I'm ready to make you happy. I want to send you home with a smile. And I want us to do a little video together. So come on down and buy one. It came from GW Window Tinting on Miles Road in Somerville. So I tell you, I don't know if GW Window Tinting's around anymore. He probably done passed away by now. But I do remember that tint shop back in the 90s. I think I got my little Ford Probe GT, the anal probe. I think I got it window tinted there at one point or another. So that tint GW did, I tell you, it lasts damn good. I'll tell you that much. Less things break 10 years down the road, the window's still rolling down. You know, if you had power windows on this thing, I can guarantee they probably wouldn't be working all these years later. But these right here, they still working. Listen to the sound you're about to hear right now. That little bzzz, that sound right there is a sound letting you know that the door is open. Ford had a sound that you wanted to take a baseball bat to if you could find it. The headliner's nice and clean. This is what you call a real deal extended cab. There's no door like these new Fords opening up. You do got some, you know, some spots to hide things in. Okay, I'll tell you that much. But one heck of a comfortable seat. You know, driving Miss Daisy wasn't sitting on that side too much because there's not a whole lot of wear and tear over there. But what a nice truck. A lot of room, a lot of headroom. I mean, head on to the drive-in theater, have your girl sit right there and rub her thigh, and you'll have a good Friday night. Well, I don't hear a horn beeping, so maybe the horn don't work, but everything else seems to be good, and I'd be amazed if the AC worked, but I don't think the AC is working, okay? Does the radio work? I do not know, okay? Again, we got an older truck, but the main thing is that it's running. That's the main thing. Let's rev it up a little bit, see how it sounds. Boy, that V8 sound good. It's got 204,968, 204,000 miles on a 94 Ford F150 XL. If you are ready to take this truck home and park it in your driveway, please give me a call. send me a message. Let me know. Say, Chad, I like that truck. I don't care what color it is. I want to buy it. I might repaint it myself down there at Mako for the $299 special. They might charge you a little extra because there's a little extra painting going to have to be done on this one because it's big. But I'll tell you right now, folks, if you're interested, you let me know. It's your boy Chad. We got nice tires, nice paint, nice looking, solid Ford truck. Ford tough, over 35 years. We'll see you soon, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.